You want to know how to permanently delete your Instagram account, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do that. Now head over to the Instagram app on your phone, and in the bottom right corner, click on Profile, and now in the top right corner, click on the three dots. Now click on Settings and Privacy at the top, and in the search bar, search for deactivation, and the option that will pop up is deactivation or deletion. So click on that and now select the profile you want to delete. Here you're met with two options: the option to temporarily delete your account, which is deactivate account, or to permanently delete your account by clicking on delete account. Keep in mind that if you delete your account permanently, you will lose all your photos, DMs, comments, and followers. You will never be able to get them back. Now click on continue and select the reason you want to delete your account. I suggest you click on something else on the bottom, because if you choose one of the others, Instagram will try to persuade you to keep your Instagram account. Now click on continue, and the only thing that's left to do is to enter your password, and after you've completed that, your Instagram account has successfully been deleted. Now if this video was useful to you, please make sure to subscribe to support me and my channel. And as always, I hope to see you soon on the next tutorial.